haki babun kiliang nado belaseng yaka. Ka Bynta baar Jong ka Kelvin Cinema Festival kan sedang nado ka kendai Haduh Khatway Tarik u Naiwieng Hasulong. Kinong sna film hapok kalama Jong ka Fraternity Arts Cine Entertainment kila ai jingkren sya kinong thok khubor henin kasngi ban pin bana ya kani ka tamasa. Haba pin bana ya kani ka film festival unong sna film u Dominic Sangma ulo ong ba ka thong Jong kani ka tamasa kalong ban mat phang bat ban pin pau perthai ya ki sap ki phong Jong ki breu ka than stila mi ngi Jong kari India bat ban pin rong hapo Jong ki ya ka jingsngo sarong ha ka kam sna film. Kani kata masa kan day tang na kabenta ki film lingkot bat ki documentary film balashna da ki nongshna film na po kari India ha ki kentien baper bat kani ka film kan day tang kindai ki badunai ki 4 minute lani kim day bantam ya ka lai 4 minute.
Make us come together, support each other. I don't think we are not going to grow. This is the poster that we are releasing today, and This is open. This competition is open for filmmakers from Meghalaya, and they can make us to a film, be it fiction, documentary, or whatever, for 5 minutes. It could be a film on environment and border issues. It can be any positive stories, negative stories, whatever they feel as a filmmakers. So just to kind of create a focus on particular village. So maybe in next edition we're going to choose other village to have a focus, so that in that way we also want to build filmmakers from the state.
Mentagin pet ya ka jinglong